The best thing about this hotel is the view of the trains from your window. Today I'll show you the Marunouchi Hotel, which is right by Tokyo Station. I'll show you the room, what it's like staying in this area, which is quite different from other places I've stayed in Tokyo, and what's nearby. We're arriving after a long day doing the Tateyama Kurobe Alpine route in the Japanese Alps, then taking the Grand Class Shinkansen for the first time back to Tokyo. They'll both be coming up in my videos, so make sure you're subscribed if you want to see them. Now it's the evening after 10 p.m. We're very tired and we're checking in. We weren't sure which exit we need for our hotel, so on this map it shows you where all the different exits are. The exits are in yellow. It's even got our hotel marked on there, the Marunouchi Hotel. We need to go for the Marunouchi North exit, and that's where we are at the moment. So you can see the good side of Tokyo Station from here.
That's why we picked it, because the other one was the other side.
Fingers crossed for a train view. We're on floor 14, where we get a train view. Fancy.
Oh, I remember there was an inside. This is like the when we stayed in Shonomei on our first trip.
The Park Hotel.
Yeah, that was looking down to the lobby, wasn't it? It's on the curve.
Yeah, the curve looked like it was looking at the station.
And we wanted it down this side, I think.
It looks like we're about in the middle. 1407,
Yep.
Is that right?
Ready?
Fingers crossed.
Oh, cases are here.
Oh wow, tacky bin. I forgot about that.
Yes, me too.
Hello, cases. Oh, the bathroom's nice.
Oh,
Ooh, I can see lines.
trains.
Ooh, train view. You can see through the reflections.
It's quite late, so no trains right now.
Yeah, you can see there are some people on the platform down there. Before booking, we spent a good amount of time on their website trying to work out which room has train views. Why Expedia doesn't mention this as a benefit, I don't know. You want a room on the curved side of the building, which faces the tracks. I am loving the view of all these trains from the hotel. There's so many. Last night I could see 4 types of Shinkansen at once. I'm not sure, but I think over there it's the construction for Tokyo Torch, which when it's completed is going to be the tallest building in Japan in 2028. So this view is going to be a little different by then. I've taken a picture to see how it changes. You won't be able to see that building over there with the green roof from the hotel anymore. There's also a skyscraper in construction over there. I'm not sure what that one is. Over here you can just see the Marunouchi side of Tokyo Station, the famous building. Probably other rooms would have a better view of that one. I just love seeing all these trains in the morning. I found this a comfortable room. It's not huge, but for a Tokyo hotel room, this is actually pretty good. And there are some design details to the styling. I like sitting in these chairs by the window watching the trains. This was my spot. You've got USB charging by the bed, a variety of lighting options, aircon, and everything you usually get in a Japanese hotel room. Pyjamas. Looks like you get slippers. Laundry service, a fridge for drinks and snacks, a safe for your valuables, and space to hang up a few clothes, which you don't always get. The bathroom is stylish. Often I find if you pay more for a hotel, you get a fancier bathroom with a little bit more space. The shower and bath are in a separate little room, which it looks like it's a wet room. You've got a deep Japanese bath and everything is spotlessly clean and shining. As always in Japan, you get quite a lot of amenities provided. Well, there's a little stool to sit on in the bathroom when you get ready. Whip, whip. Bathroom art. Here's your tea and coffee making facilities. Darjeeling green tea, roasted green tea, hojicha, sweet caramel apple tea, organic coffee, fair trade, bird friendly, nice cups. Each floor has an ice machine and a water dispenser next to the elevator hall. I love that when they have that. You can have as much water as you want. And there's a couple of bottles there. One thing I found a little odd are these frosted windows to the bathroom. It's a cool design feature. They look a bit like Japanese paper screens. You can't see through them, but if you visit the bathroom in the night, you can see the light in the bedroom. It's quite businessy around the Tokyo Station area, and it's not sort of bustling with lots of shops and restaurants like some areas of Tokyo. The streets are really wide. You've got these wide roads, big crossings. It's definitely not a hectic area to stay. If you want to be somewhere that feels a lot like Tokyo with neon lights and bustling streets, this might not be the area for you. It's nothing like Shinjuku and Shibuya. Something I miss is there aren't any games arcades around here. I always like to pop into them before finishing for the day. This is Owazu, a shopping complex you come out into, and Tokyo Station is right there just across the street. A very important point, your local convenience store is just down here. We did struggle to find them from Google Maps. I really like this 7-Eleven because it's bigger than the convenies in more cramped, busy areas of the city. Like all 7-Elevens, it has a cash machine that accepts foreign cards, and it has smoothie machines. Or you could just pop to this conveni, New Day's Ku Tokyo Eki Yesu Kita Kaisatsugai. I think Ku means district. Tokyo Eki is Tokyo Station, Yesu is the name for this side of the station, Kita is north, Kaisatsu comes from Kaisatsuguchi, which is the ticket gates, and Gai is floor, so the same floor as the ticket gates. Simple. If it's a rainy day, the hotel has umbrellas for you to borrow for free. Nicely modelled. That is quite common at some hotels in Japan, and it's good because it means you don't have to buy one at the konbini that you then can't fit inside your suitcase. This side of Tokyo Station is a really unusual building. It's kind of more Western style looking, and this area in front is really spacious. There actually aren't many shops and restaurants around here. There are some inside the station.
You've got Ramen Street down there.
Yes, lots of ramen restaurants in Ramen Street. And yesterday we walked to Akihabara. It takes about half an hour. I filmed a street walk video of it to show you what it's like. You walk through Kanda, then you get to Akihabara. And down that way is the Imperial Palace, a very short walk. You can also walk to Ginza. It's not mega close, but it is walkable. Ginza looks closer on the map than it actually is. It's close, but it's not right there. To walk from the hotel to Itoya, the stationery shop, which is obviously the main landmark of the area, or it is in my world, takes just over 20 minutes, and it's just over 25 minutes to the big flagship Uniqlo store. If you take the lift down to the basement level, there's direct access to Tokyo Station without having to go outside, which is great for a rainy day. Tokyo Station is of course very well connected. You're on the Yamanote Loop line, which is always useful. You're also on the Chuo Line, which goes across the city. The rapid service stops here, which is great. It means you can get across to Shinjuku in only 13 minutes, and from there you can easily access Shibuya and Harajuku. You've got one subway line, and I didn't actually need to do this, but it's a very short walk to Otemachi Station, and look how many lines that has. Tokyo Station also has the Shinkansen, which is great if you're moving on to Kyoto or Osaka. You can also go north and east towards Hokkaido. Very convenient. Right now we're on the west side of Tokyo Station. If you need to get over to the east side, it can take quite a long time walking around the streets. The best route is to go into this north entrance behind me, stick to the path on the left, and there's a sign to your passage to the Yesu side. Just keep to the left hand side, keep walking, and it will take you through to the east side of the station. This entrance is one of the fancy parts of Tokyo Station. Straight ahead of me is the passage to the Yesu side. The JR ticket gates are on the right. If you want a view of the trains like we had, which I definitely recommend, I loved watching them all. On Expedia, we booked the moderate double room non-smoking that looked like it was on the curved side of the hotel. Hotel prices vary depending how early you book and the time of year, but I paid £191 per night, and that included a weekend. It is more pricey than hotels I'd usually book. It's definitely not a budget option, but I wanted that view of the trains. I filmed so much like this. I think I spotted 4 different types of Shinkansen and several Shinkansen kisses. I also saw them fixing the track at night. So there you have it. The Marunouchi Hotel isn't a budget option, but you do get this amazing view of the trains. The Tokyo Station area isn't the most exciting place, but it is pretty well connected. If you have any questions, just put them in the comments. My video next week might be on a different day because next Thursday is Christmas Day. Have a good one, and I'll see you soon.